¿Qué está pasando, mi gente? ¿Qué rollo con el pollo que hacen? Aquí andamos, you see Susie. We're gonna be out for a nice little night ride. Vamos a ir a ver a mi homie Julian, Roman, ya echamos gasolina. We got the Addy put up already. See, 22 minutes. Running late, como siempre. Let's go ahead and get on the... Prender la Insta para agarrarlo clean, ya tú sabes. Get some nice little footage. Some little 360 footage. If we catch some of the sunset. I don't know how much sunset we're gonna catch. Not a lot, but whatever we can get, we gonna get. You feel me? Yeah. Echamos $5 de gasolina. Una pila, pero ya vamos para allá. 21 minutes away, so it's not that bad. Let's go ahead and get up out of here, man. It's fucking hot. Just sitting here. Whew. No lie. Pero sí, mi gente, ¿cómo están? Back on Susie. Beautiful night ride. Nice little refresher right there. Cools us right down, because it do be getting hot in the jacket. Because I mean, I try to wear it every time, always wear it good, but when I don't wear it, when I don't wear it, I be getting, oh my god, I be getting killed by birds, bro. Bugs and them little rocks. The little rocks is what hurt the most. Them little rocks be feeling like big rocks when you're going pretty quick, you feel? Como que la velocidad, obvio, la velocidad que tú vas y la velocidad que viene, ¡wow! Duele con cojones. That was a very nice downshift. A little bit of oil on the ground. Oh damn, that's a nice ass Bronco. Ah, that sounded, I'm hoping they picked it up. That sounded amazing. Bam! Nice little pop. Nice little... Oh, we got a dude broken down on the... What happened? Como que se quebró el cabrón. Yeah. Hey! Not the Peterbilt, baby! Sheesh, ya valió. Así pasa cuando sucede. This gas cap is open. I was thinking about closing it, but I got no time. Damn, not the brand new ski? Nice. Nice little run. Oh, make sure it's going, just the blood flowing, baby. Algo así para que te levante, para que te suba la energía. Que todavía faltan 8 minutos para llegar. Hey, the McDonald's. I see the golden arches. So it does say hit the U-turn. That's what I'm going to do. Ooh, the red bomber. There should be a... Oh yes! I see them. My people! I see them! I think they're in the corner up there. Oh, his glove is on the ground en route. Let's go get a meal, man. Let's go get something to eat. Let's go get some grubbies. Alright, ready to roll out. We got the 650'S, Z650 NINJA650 FZ6R. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Gonna roll up out of here, baby. Oh. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, Roman learned how to wheel real good. How first with that? I might have to tell him to show me a little thing or two, you feel me? Que me enseñe algo porque he got it. Hey, look at him. Oh. Very loud. Hey! Shut up! Hey, 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 bust it down, girl, bust it down. Hey, 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 get there. That was fucking awesome. Hey, my boy.
though, thank you so much for tuning in and watching another video. Please remember, drop a like, subscribe, and go ahead and follow the Instagram at ADM_rides with a Z. Como quiera ahí te lo voy a poner ahí en la pantalla. And thank you for watching, y'all. Later.